carry me soul forever. Guide I to Zion shore, where peace and love endure. In the silence, your voice I hear, wisdom of the ancients ever near. From the mountain to the sea, creation calling night to be free. Flow like a mystic river, carry me soul forever. Moonlight a shine, stars a guide, spirit arise with the ocean tide. Meditation deep in a night so calm,